Good morning, students. Welcome to the geography class. Today, I would like to discuss with you about the manufacturing industries. The word industry is defined as to a place where raw material is given into the shape of a finished product. I repeat, industry is a place where raw materials are shaped into a finished product, and it is a service, it's a work, it's a process by which raw materials, any kind of raw materials, for whatsoever the purpose be, are given into the shape of a finished product. So let us discuss about the industry and the manufacturing. Now, word manufacturing means making up. Manufacturing means making up. So this is a process of making up the raw material into finished product, and that is sold into the market, sold and bought into the market. So this is a big work. It's an industry. It's an industry where now what is this industry meaning? The industry meaning the diligence. You might have heard in English, example is given, he is a very diligent, or he is very industrious boy. What do you mean by this? That means the boy is very hard working. He puts an effort, continuous effort, to complete his work. Maybe his homework, maybe his the activities, the practices, the readings, learnings, until he completes it, until he learns it, he does not leave. So continuous effort, faithful effort to bring into a completion. That is what the industry means. So that's why I told the definition of industry is a process where the place where the raw materials are given into finished product. So that is what. So let us see what our text says. So industry involves a manufacturing or technically productive enterprises in a particular field, country, region, or economy views collectively, or one of these individuals. Either is a field, a farm, is a country, or a region, or an economic what call institutions. All they see into the finished product that they are going to bring it out. So a single industry is often named after its principal product. For example, the auto industry. You can use this industry to refer to a group of similar businesses. The automobile industry makes cars, the auto parts, the machinery parts, and all that. The food service industry prepares food and delivers it to the hotels, schools, and the market, and all that. It's a big institutional enterprise. Institutional enterprise where is a one, after the step by step they work it out till a product is delivered to the consumer. That is what it would be understood. So industry comes from the Latin word industria. Indasthirya meaning the diligence, hard work, continuous effort of work. And the word is still used with this meaning. And so this, I hope you have understood this. So if you understand this much, you have completed the half of the lesson. The next part of the lesson is the types of industries, which is already it is said that a particular field or a particular type of product they are taking under which is so. So there are types of products, the economy it is put now. We will discuss this. So types of industry is defined in various types, various ways. Simple way to understand is the industry has got three kinds. Three kinds. It is divided into three kinds. Mainly, large industry, which involves large place, large people, large economy, large property, large production. Then comes medium scale industry. Medium scale industry meaning where little less than the large amount of place, less than the large amount of the people, less than the large amount of the product, less amount of economy is moved. Next one is a small scale industry. Small scale industry is one person or two or three individuals, they share partnership and then work upon. There is less amount of effort and less amount of economy, small amount of the area are involved in this, and manufacture also. So they are large scale, medium scale and small scale industry. I would like to include here one more scale of industry, that is called cottage industry. Cottage industry we will be discussing, yet I want to include with these three. Do you understand? So include this also, that large scale, medium scale, small scale and cottage industry. Still smaller scale of industry, that is cottage industry. By the word cottage, you can understand that it's a small hut where the people, they manufacture some goods and sell into the local market. And even in the large, in the national market also they sell, but then the production is very less amount and the people involved also is very well, where only the family members, mostly it is the family members, after their all the works that they complete and then start doing the work at home. They don't need to go. So with the available material, raw material that are there according to their approach in the area found. For example, people are living in a area where bamboo is found in a large scale. And so the bamboo baskets, the materials and all other things are, they make it from the bamboo plant. And so from there they make something and then sell it to the local market. That is also is a small scale industry. I always give the example of local or the small scale or the cottage industry. The example of cottage industry in West Bengal is the making of the gamcha. You see, gamcha we use a small towel, light small towel that we use for wiping our face and the body, and so that is very, very handy, and that is manufactured in the small scale. One family members, they make those the gamcha or the small towel and light towel that is sold into the local market, maybe in the area where they are able to reach out, especially in West Bengal. You will find some of the villages, plenty of people having their own handloom, and they get the raw material from nearby the farms and the area market, and then they start making this. They weave it and then sell it into the local market. Sometimes the people, they what is there from there, this small cottage industrial product, they business people are there, they collect, and they in a big amount of product is collected and sold into the large scale market, the big market they are sold. So it is a business, So this is how the business works, the industry works. So even the small scale cottage industry helps into building up of the large scale industry or medium scale industry. So all these are interconnected somehow. So this is what the manufacture is. Therefore, it is called process. Step by step manufacturing the goods, raw materials into the finished product till it reaches to the consumer, till it reaches to the market where people buy and use it. So this is a big industrial. So that's why it is known as manufacturing industry. Hope you have understood this. So here in the page number 94, you have seen that the different tables. This is the table on which it is the industry is described. Different types of industry. So what are the things involved in the industry? Labor is involved, raw material is, ownership is, and the source of material from where they are getting, and the miscellaneous other things that are involved in making up the big industry or any industry that is works. So this is how. So step by step we will be discussing in the next video. We'll discuss about the basic needs. What are the basic things, materials they need to manufacture goods, any type of goods. So some few examples also we will be doing. It's not that difficult to understand because we are all involved some way or the other. Thank you.